Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place concealer in 16 to prime my eyes and my one side setting powder to set it. Next, I'm going to use the Beauty Bay Berries palette, and I'm going to take that shade and put that on my lids. I'm going to take the other shade and put that on my crease. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell, and make sure you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short on Monday and a new video every Friday. I'm definitely trying to grow my channel, so I would really appreciate that, y'all. Now I'm going to use my Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my House of Lashes eyelash glue, and I'm going to use my Ioni lashes in the style Africa. And this glue is a favorite of mine. I haven't used it in a while, but I used to use it all the time. So I'm glad to be back using it. I'll be using my AOA one from time to time, but I'll be using this one more. Gotta make sure there's no gap showing. I'm using my Sephora eye pencil and my Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm moisturized already. Now I'm using my Everyday Humans Rose from Above sunscreen. Next, I'm going to use my Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer. Now to correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Next, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade 425. Now for some more coverage, I'm going to use my Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut, and put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. to highlight, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in medium dark warm. I'm going to put this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's it, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in dark. I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. And I'm going to take the other shade to bronze other parts of my face. Okay, I blended out that concealer I had down. Now to set it, I'm going to use my combination of my AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach and my one size translucent setting powder. Now for my all over face powder, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Volume 4 palette. I'm just going to take a combination of both of those shades for my blush. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick, and I'm going to use this for my highlight, and of course you can use this on your lips, eyes, just different places. This is in the shade Glowing Mango. Now I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Hair and Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm just going to use that shade right there just to go over where I put that e.l.f. multi-stick down, just to make sure it doesn't move. Now for lips, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie, and I'm going to use my Essence 8 Hour Matte Lipstick. This is in Dark Berry. To set my face, I'm using my Cover Effect setting spray. And that's it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the cherry cola makeup look. I'm seeing on TikTok that they was doing like a cherry cola trend, cherry cola nails, hair, lips. So I just decided to do a makeup look out of it and just do my own twist on it. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short on Monday, a new video every Friday. And everything I use will be listed in the description box. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching, y'all. Bye.